So, now that we understand the challenges manufacturers face with data, let's talk about how GenAI actually helps. What does it do? And how does it turn complex, messy data into useful insights? It uses natural language processing to understand even unstructured or fragmented data. It can summarize, highlight patterns, and extract insights all in plain language. Instead of spending hours digging through spreadsheets and reports, teams can just ask simple questions like, "What's happening in our operations?" or "What should we do next?" This short module will show you how generative AI helps you get more value out of the data you already have, boosting productivity, accuracy, and customer satisfaction. Let's look at how a fictional manufacturer of industrial equipment is applying generative AI across different departments. As we walk through these real-world style examples, consider how similar opportunities might exist in your own organization. Up next, we'll take a closer look at the kinds of data each team works with.